All right, so as marketers, we take the market and we break it down into meaningful segments. One way that we can do that is through the use of some of the data that we collect as marketers. So how do we use data for market segmentation? Well, a very common and important way that we use data in marketing or market segmentation is through what's called customer relationship management. And this is just a way for us to sort of track our customers and try to learn more about how to meet their needs. So that's customer relationship management or CRM, and that's a good way to split up our market by customers. Another way we can use data for market segmentation is what's called behavioral targeting. And this is a way that we track our customers' behavior online to figure out what they might be interested in or how we might meet their needs. Lastly, a third way that we can use data for market segmentation purposes is through advanced statistical techniques. So we can use things like cluster analysis or even regression or other statistical methods where we use the data that we have to try to predict something about our customers, whether that's what makes them similar or just what they might want to purchase. There are all sorts of different analyses we could do with statistical techniques. So together with behavioral targeting online, customer relationship management, looking at sales records and other things like that, and then applying statistical techniques, we can use all this data that we collect today in order to segment our market more effectively.